Hello everybody, Gaming and Stuff here, and I am here with the chest opening. Not a really like super magical chest or giant chest or magical chest, but I have opened giant chests and magical chests, but that was before I started this channel. So I'm gonna let's get to this opening. Okay, so Alright, and by the way, I'm trying to save up for if gold. Oh, this is my battle deck right here. I'm gonna save it up for to upgrade my balloon to level 3. Well, I'm gonna do my crown chest last, and I'm pretty sure I'll have enough gold. How did I get an epic from a silver chest? What is the chances of that? Oh my gosh, wow. I just got a giant skeleton from a silver chest. Alright, let's get to my free chests. I've never seen that happen. Okay, now to the crown chest. Oh yes, I have enough gold. Alright. Another I mean, it's an epic, but the Expo. That's terrible. But I always have enough gold to upgrade this. Upgrade! Yes! Level 3 balloon! Yes! Yes! I did it! I have a level 3 epic. I've done it. Okay, now let's get okay. Let's get into a live battle then. Okay, good luck. I've been trying not to stack a little more, so I'm probably a little better at it. Or at least or maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Take out the Valk. Yos. Okay, there we go. Oh, I guess that was pretty good timing. No! Don't take out my musketeer. No! He took out the musketeer. Wait, but he just used a zap. Alright, minion horde. Go to damage his tower. Oh, he has a fireball. Well, still, gun barrel. Actually, maybe I should use that. Maybe this guy's near. Oh, that got some pretty decent damage on. Okay, Valkyrie, you're going down to the ground. I wish the troops could move back. They're like, you know what? I don't want to get killed, so I'm just gonna back up. That'd be cool. Always I think it would. No more of those troops. Haha. That's what the king would be like. Haha. So it probably has to zap in this fireball. So I'm just gonna goblin barrel right there. No, he zapped it. You got so much damage in. Let's get my hog rider over there. Welcome here, I got double 3 dude. It's not fair. It's not fair. Okay, get this massive army going. The army of truth, I guess. Hog rider. Get it! Boom! Oh, well, I guess that was a little late. Yes, damage. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I win! Haha! Yay! Another silver chest. Yay! Let's put that box. Let's do another one, I suppose. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, I like that. Oh. Does he not have arrows? Oh, this guy also has a level 3 epic. Impressed I am. How impressed am I? Not that much. Oh, he missed. He missed with his arrows. Yes! Good work, minions. Boom! In your face. I got so much damage on that tower. I might win on this guy. This guy's a level 8. And I'm a level 7. I don't know, I bet it's so hard for me to get back up. I mean, I was never at level 8, but I don't know why, but I just can't seem to get my level. I mean, I'm super close, but it's taking forever. Alright, getting a massive army going. Yes, okay, that's a good amount of damage going. There you go. Shoot. He's going to take that, yeah. He can take that, but I can take this. Go for the tower! He can take my tower, but he can't take my dignity. Ha, troll on him. Yeah, okay. Massive army! He's not gonna win. Face it. Yeah. I won. Yay. Whoa, magical chest. Awesome. Oh yeah, I just won that magical chest. Sweet. This has been an awesome video. Wow. I am feeling lucky. Alright, and then we'll get into a friendly battle with my clanmate. Alright. I don't want to tell him about this. Okay. Beat this! Oh yeah, you're getting wrecked on. No! Yeah, I've played him before and I hate Elia. I like, my minion horde is nothing because he has the fire spirit, so he'll whatever, he'll do that or he'll do this, and it's kind of annoying. So my minion horde just ends up doing nothing, so it's kind of very sad. I'm really sad about it. It's a crying matter, and he also uses that cannon, which I don't like. So he's probably gonna end up winning because he's better than me and more skilled than me. So, and he's in arena 8, so yeah, and he's probably gonna end up zapping that or placing the Valkyrie. And if I place my minion horde, he's gonna zap it. So there's pretty much no point. I mean, I could do that and fake on him. But he also has the fire spirits. Yeah, so I got his zap out of the process. Then he's gonna place his fire spirits. Or, oh, he has the poison spell now? When did he get the poison spell? Oh my god. Yeah, my tower has 8 health and his tower has 1,204. And he's a level 8, so he's really good at this game. I'm gonna see, maybe I'll make a new clan. I hate fire spirits. Ah, come on, load. Okay. Oh, but I have a problem now. Wait, he doesn't have fire spirits, and he has fire spirits and his zap out of the cycle. Yes! This is my chance. Oh, what? Does he have the mirror? Is he mirroring? Okay. I'm probably gonna lose this. Oh my god. Come on. Hey! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose this. Oh my gosh, no! No! Why? No! No! I lost. No! Well, anyway, that's the end of this video.